Today we are in Appenzell and we are gonna see where the famous Appenzell cheese is made. Appenzeller Schaukäserei or Appenzeller Cheese Dairy is located in Stein, near Appenzell, in eastern Switzerland, and offers a glimpse into Switzerland's rich cheese-making tradition. In Appenzeller Schaukäserei, you can see how this tasty Swiss cheese is made. And you can also learn about history and culture of cheese making in Appenzell region. The tour features a range of exhibits. You can learn interesting facts about the cows that produce milk used in Appenzeller cheese, hear personal stories from the local cheesemakers, and explore traditional clothing and cultural artifacts unique to Appenzell region. For younger visitors, there are small doors designed just for children. Behind each one is an audio story narrated in German by a cute mouse named Kessli Jakob. There is also a viewing area where you can observe the cheese making in real time, but we were there a bit too late in the day, so the production were already closed for the day. But yeah, it was still interesting to see all the machines and everything. We were also able to see impressive cheese cellar, which stores up to 12,500 wheels of Appenzeller cheese. Since the wheels must be turned every few hours, we watched through the window as robotic machines carried out this task. That was super interesting for my little boys. You can also create your own mix of spices to take home. An activity my older son absolutely enjoyed. There is also a nice shop where you can buy local souvenirs and, of course, a wide selection of cheeses. At the site is also a restaurant, though we didn't have a chance to try it. What my boys did get to enjoy, however, was the fantastic playground outside the cheese factory. Even with the rain, they had absolute blast climbing the giant cheese veg wall, zipping down the slides, swinging and exploring all other fun stuff for kids. In addition to this cheese-making tour, there are two others you can visit. One in Gruyère and another in Emmental. Want to see how Emmentaler cheese is made? I have a video. Check it out. I'm gonna link it down below.